So we're going to attach this to the panel. Alright. And now we're going to measure electricity running through the smart meter. Alright?
Okay.
Right now the switch isn't thrown. As you can see, there's nothing happening. So we're going to turn this on.
Whoa.
So we've got quite a
Look
bit
at
of
that.
distortion
Yeah.
going on. Alright?
And that tick, that's the smart. Listen to it. Wow.
So we're going to try to catch it when it transmits.
Yeah. That didn't look like that when you just had, wow, you just had the analog going.
So I've had enough of that.
That was a lot of transmissions too in just a small amount of time.
And we're seeing this with the new smart meters.
Yeah, they're more active.
Much more active.
Yeah.
It's not just the 900 megahertz that's
That's the microwave.
that's the microwave
Yeah.
effect. But this effect is much greater. So this is not like your baby monitor. This isn't like your cell phone. This is like no other device you're exposed to, because it's using all the wiring that travels through this panel as an antenna. So it's an energized antenna.
Because it's connected to it.
Correct. It's the largest antenna, and you're exposed to this 24/7 if you're in the house 24/7. This doesn't stay in the wiring.
Right.
It actually radiates 6 to 8 feet from the wire.
Many people involved in the smart meter issue are focused on the 900 megahertz frequency, which is the microwave transmission, but none of us knew that there were these other frequencies sort of hidden in that and are being transmitted as well. So, in my opinion, this is why people are getting damaged. Why people who previously could handle all their wireless gadgetry, their Wi-Fi, and their cell phone, and then when they get the smart meter in their house, all of a sudden their world falls apart.